Good night, teacher. My name is Jordi Rosales. My diálogo. Hi, Suriel. Wow. Ara. Joe today. Hi, Jordi. Ian great. Thank. Wow about Joe. I am fine too. I want to know more about your university life. What car are you studying? I am studying engineering. I like it because it is very interesting. What would you? I am studying engineering too because enjoy technology and teaching. Nice. What subjects are you taking this semester? I am taking mathematics, statistics, English, and technical drawing. I have a lot of homework every week. Fail. Also have many assignments. My favorite subject is English because the class are very dynamic. Who is your favorite professor? My English professor is my favorite because she speaks and speak well. What about you? My mathematics professor is very strict, but he teaches very well. What activities do you usually do in class? We usually work in groups, solve exercises, and make presentations. Sometimes we do projects. In my class, we read a lot of information and practice with computers. There are fake students in some class, so it is necessary to participate. What do you do in your free time at the university? Usually play soccer with my friends and listen to music. What about you? Normally study in the library and sometimes I eat with my classmates at the cafeteria. Are there many clubs in your university? Yes, there are many clubs, but no many students join them. Most students prefer sport activities. That's interesting. My university adds a lot of cultural activities too. University life can be difficult sometimes, but it is also exciting because we learn many next things every day. Yes, that's true. Really enjoy university life. Meto, thanks for talking with me, Suriel. You welcome, Jordi. See you later. See you. Thank you, teacher.